Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は椎茸の傘の裏側に肉種を詰めて椎茸シューマイを作ります。野菜も一緒に蒸します。
Let's prepare the shiitake mushrooms. Use scissors to detach the mushroom stems. Don't worry, the mushrooms won't feel a thing, I think. Using scissors instead of a knife makes it easier and safer. Cut off the tough base of the shiitake stems. We won't use this part because it's tough and not very clean. Finely chop two of the stems to add them to the meat mixture later. Slice them thinly lengthwise, stack them, then cut into thin strips before dicing finely. These finely diced shiitake stems will be added to the meat mixture later, adding a pleasant texture. The remaining two stems can be cut into thin strips and used for stir fries or tempura. Arrange bite-sized pieces of cabbage and napa cabbage in a frying pan. Since we want to preserve the vibrant color of komatsuna spinach, we'll add it later at a different stage. Next, let's make the meat mixture. In a bowl, combine the ground pork, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sake, sugar, grated ginger, sesame oil, pepper, and chopped shiitake stems. Mix everything well until it becomes gooey. You'll know it's ready when the mixture feels slightly sticky and holds together. Create some space in the bowl by pushing the meat mixture aside. Add the finely chopped onions to the empty space. Add the potato starch to the onions and toss to coat. This will help retain their moisture and prevent the meat from becoming soggy. Then, mix the onions thoroughly into the meat mixture. Instead of stirring vigorously, gently fold them together. Otherwise, the onions may get crushed and the flour coating may come off, making the mixture watery. Scrape off any meat sticking to your kitchen gloves and rinse them with water. Flatten the meat mixture. Divide the meat mixture into 4 equal portions. Now, let's make the shiitake mushrooms. Lightly sprinkle flour on the underside of the shiitake mushroom caps. This will help prevent the meat from separating. Take one portion of the meat mixture, place it on a shiitake cap, and gently press it down. Slightly moisten your fingertips with water to create a smooth, clean finish. Make sure to press the filling slightly into the mushroom caps. This helps them stay firmly in place during cooking. Stuff the remaining mushrooms in the same way. This recipe also works wonderfully with ground chicken. By stuffing the shiitake mushrooms with the meat and steaming them, the deep umami of the shiitake blends harmoniously with the rich meat juices, creating an incredibly flavorful dish. Let's steam the shiitake shumai. Arrange the stuffed mushrooms with some space between them on top of the cabbage and napa cabbage. Avoid overcrowding the mushrooms. They'll cook evenly when they have room to breathe. Add about 120 milliliters of water, cover with a lid, and turn the burner to high. Once strong steam starts escaping from the lid's vent hole, lower the heat slightly and steam for about 6 minutes. This steaming method, which cooks the shumai along with the vegetables using a small amount of water, keeps the shumai juicy while allowing the vegetables to absorb the flavors of the shiitake and meat, making both components even more delicious. Just before turning off the heat, flip the cabbage over and quickly add the komatsuna spinach. Then cover again. Once the komatsuna spinach has softened, the dish is ready. Be careful not to overcook, as shiitake mushrooms will shrink. If the water runs low during steaming, add more as needed. Serve the piping hot shiitake shumai on a plate with your favorite dipping sauce, such as Ponzu or Karashi Vinegar Soy Sauce.
しいたけの旨味と食感が加わって美味しいですよ。
The pork must be fully cooked. If you are unsure, cut one in half to check for doneness. Good luck in the kitchen.
JR 本八幡駅から徒歩数分、細い路地の奥にある春菜リビング京屋、隠れ家的な雰囲気のあるお店です。今回いただいたのはランチコース A。まずは前菜3種。ヤーコーンとビーツのきんぴら、発酵のうまみが美味しいお漬物、ほんのり酸味があり食欲をそそる一品。大根葉のおかかにおかかの出汁が効いたホッとする味わい、生ピーリと一緒に楽しみました。本日の春菜料理、ほうれん草、小松菜、生湯葉の上にすりおろした自然薯のあんがとろりとかかっています。上には飾りの菜花と香りの良い柚子の皮も添えられています。お出汁の効いた自然薯のあんが優しい味わいで全体をまとめています。黒豚のソテーと有機野菜のサラダ。サラダは彩りが綺麗で種類も多くて大満足。黒豚には和風ソース、有機野菜のサラダにはフレンチドレッシング、ぬか、オリーブオイルをかけていただきました。メインの黒豚は噛むほどに甘みが広がります。こちらは黒豚にかけた和風ソース、フレンチドレッシングにはすりおろし玉ねぎを使っています。その他に新潟の塩、ヒマラヤの岩塩、いった無農薬のぬかがあります。ぬかはサラダに振りかけると香ばしさと栄養がプラスされます。こちらはかぼちゃと夏目のおかゆ、体を温めてくれる優しい一品です。添えられたぬか漬けや白菜の塩漬けを一緒に食べるとちょうど良い塩加減、最後まで飽きることなく楽しめました。デザートとドリンク、甘く煮た黒豆に黒ごまと白玉を合わせたとてもシンプルなデザート。ドリンクは少し迷いましたがコーヒーを注文。和のデザートとコーヒーの組み合わせは意外と悪くありませんでした。健康を意識した食事を楽しみたい時にぴったりのお店でした。落ち着いた雰囲気の中で薬膳の魅力を堪能できました。
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please consider supporting our channel through channel memberships. You can watch videos of chefs' restaurant reviews and travel experiences. Your subscriptions and likes are greatly appreciated. Take care everyone. See you.